Hi everyone, my name is Judy, a graduate student from Yunji University. Today my topic is enlightening with affection or motivating with reason, the effect of emotional consensus and cognitive consensus on team performance. It will be divided into 5 parts to explain: introduction, in literature review, methodology, result, and discuss. And first of all, whether the team concept is consistent and reaching the consensus will affect the coordination of team members as work together. When the consensus is established, the team performance will grow. In the past, everyone thought that consensus was very important, but there was no subdivision of the type of consensus. According to the hot and cool system, it was divided into cognitive consensus and emotional consensus, 2 parts. Consensus will produce different effects in different team situations and cultures. Therefore, my research purpose are to first, how to define emotional consensus and cognitive consensus in the organizational field. Second, can team performance be divided into 2 paths, cognitive consensus and and emotional consensus? Third, can the masculinity of the team be used as a moderating variable to affect the mediating effect of cognitive consensus on perceived fit and emotional consensus on team cohesion to team performance? And this is my research model. So I will show you the definition of each variable first. Cognitive consensus means team members use each other's description, explanation, and prediction of the situation in the team to achieve the team's members' understanding of the team's work procedures, abilities, and goals. And team performance means the actual result of the team achieving the predetermined goal. And next, perceived fit dividing into 3 parts. First is between person to organization fit, and second is needs to supplies fit, and third is demand to abilities fit. And emotional consent means through the process of the continuously inducing emotion among team members, the group can agree with a certain positive or negative emotion. And next is team cohesion means the team members found their achievement to each other in their emotions and are willing to dedicate themselves to the team because of such emotions. And masculinity means a more ambitious level of performance in terms of the emotional roles, gender culture, and religion. So here's my hypothesis. First is cognitive consensus has a positive relationship with team performance. And second is perceived fit will mediate the relationship between cognitive consensus and team performance. Third is emotional consensus has a positive relationship with team performance. Fourth is team cohesion mediates the relationship between emotional consensus and team performance. And fifth is masculinity will positively regulate the relationship between perceived fit and team performance. Sixth is masculinity will negatively regulate the relationship between team cohesion and team performance. So next I will show you the methodology. We are having a subordinate member of the company's work team. Eventually, we got 276 individual questionnaires back, and including 61 teams. And we can see the following table, and they're showing there are 4.52 people in the team on average, and working for about 5 years. And here's the data of individual. And next, we can see the table of the variable data. Because we are focused on the team level analysis, it will show Combo Alpha, ICC1, ICC2, and RWG, which reflects the team level data. And each value is in line with the standard. And next two page, it also shows the data, and it also is with the standard. So we can see the result of the research that except for the hypothesis 5 is not significant, the others are all supportive. So about the research, in theoretical contribution is first, we define cognitive consensus and emotional consensus and discuss their impacts on team performance in organizational field. And second is we found that there's no crossover effect between cognitive consensus and emotional consensus. And in the practical contribution, that first is team members understand how the team interacts. And second is cognitive consensus and emotional consensus must be taken into consideration to make team members think that they are a community with the team. So that's the end of my presentation. Thanks for your attention. Thank you.